Welcome to Pydle Day 128. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a compass. You can see the northwest, east, south there. And the compass is showing in the northeast direction. So have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you're not quite sure how to play Pydle, then stick around as I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a cute little crab. Okay, so let's just start with our two loops. That's fine. Those loops are given to you as a default. So let's do the whites first. So that's quite nice. It's the even kind of columns. So 0, 1, 2, and 4. 0, 2, and 4. Okay, so we can say if x remainder 2 equals 0 and y less than 2, okay, so that's the top whites. Now the bottom one, let's say or y equals 4 and 0 less than x less than 4. Okay, there we've got the outline of our crab. Now all we need to now do is the reds and the orange. So now you can say aleph y greater than 0. So we've already colored in the whites there. So all the pixels where y greater than 0 must be colored in as either red or orange. The two eyes can just remain the default color, which is black. Okay, so let's copy that over. So we need to do an inline if statement here. So we can say orange if y equals 3 and 0 less than x less than 4, else red. Okay, so the orange pixels there is where y is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0, that's a 0 pixel, so 0 less than x less than 4, and then all the others would be red. Okay, that solves the Pydle. Hope you had fun solving that yesterday. If you haven't, do play. And then today's Pydle is the compass, which is quite a tricky one, so have a go at solving that. And I will come back tomorrow with a solution. I kind of had fun with the solution. I used the iter tools Python module, so you can explore how to possibly use that if you're more of an advanced Python user, or you can just work out how to do that. Okay, so have fun solving the compass, and I'll see you again tomorrow.